What does digital creator mean? Digital creator is a person who creates content using digital platforms and technology. In simple words, a digital creator is someone who makes online content for the internet. Digital creators produce different types of content such as videos, photos, blogs, podcasts, or social media posts. They usually share their content on platforms like social media, websites, or video platforms. For example, she is a digital creator who makes educational videos online. This means she creates content and shares it on the internet. Digital creators often build audiences and communities through their content. Some digital creators earn money through advertising, sponsorships, or partnerships. Here are more example sentences. He became a digital creator by making travel videos. Many digital creators share tips, tutorials, and entertainment online. Brands often work with digital creators to promote products. In simple terms, a digital creator is a person who creates and shares content on the internet. Easy way to remember. Digital creator means someone who creates content online.